It is disastrous to suppress one's feelings. Respect your feelings, but do not identify with them completely. Use them like the tools they can be. And to use them like tools, you must first learn to be aware of them. Channel their flow with wisdom and awareness. Be the master of your own feelings. Do not let them control you. You will find many such quotes in the book I am going to review today. Hey guys, welcome back to Books Gossip. I am Mansi, back again with a book review, and today I am reviewing Dharma by Amish Tripathi and Bhavna Roy. Well, this is how the book looks, and this is just a cover on the actual book cover, and from inside, this is what the book looks like. It's a hardcover book. Well, Dharma is a non-fiction genre, and this is the second non-fiction book by Amish Tripathi. The first one was Immortal India. And this year I decided to read more of non-fiction. Well, at least I'll try. So the first book of New Year which I read is also a non-fiction genre. The book was released on 28 December 2020 and there are 198 pages and 8 chapters in the book. Each chapter is concentrating on different segments for a meaningful life. The chapters are as follows. First is, I think, karma. Then there is dharma and swadharma. Then there is a chapter about loyalty, envy, ego, humility, anger, and finally the presented word that matters. These were the all 8 chapters. Throughout the book, a conversation is going on between 4 people, starting with Dharmaraj and Nachiket, the father and son-in-law duo. Then enters the mother-in-law Lopamudra, and finally Gargi, wife of Nachiket. Together, these 4 are going to discuss many mythological and philosophical stories to make us understand the concepts I mentioned before. Throughout the book, there are going to be many sections from the previous books of Amish Tripathi, that is the Ramchandra series and the Shiva trilogy. I have read and reviewed both of them and the link for the same is in the description below. Do watch them. Now, as my first non-fiction, I would say that I actually enjoyed reading this book. But I must mention that if you are someone who is into mythology and philosophy and have liked the past books by Amish Tripathi, then only go for this book. I would rate this book 4 out of 5. And from my side, it's not a highly recommended book, but it's up to you guys. If you have to like the past books by Amish Tripathi, then you might like this one too. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope this review was helpful. I know it was short, but the book is even short. It's just 198 pages. And I really hope you enjoyed the review. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Books Gossip. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. And don't forget, I come up with new videos on every Monday. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is right here on the screen. I post many book aesthetics and fun reels over there. Until then, keep reading. Bye.